Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a little press-on video for you. It's starting off at like a random point, but still towards the beginning because when I was recording, of course I record on my phone, and I had previously recorded a video for you guys, so whenever I was recording it was like giving me a storage full thing, so I couldn't record the whole entire process, but it's still early, so we going good. I'm gonna be doing a clown press-on set for one of my friends for her graduation, and I will insert a picture somewhere. So she just wanted it the color of these shoes, so I had mixed a plethora of custom colors to try and get the colors in the shoe. So that's where this baby pink came from. She just wanted it the pink version, a pink version of the clown nails. And right now I'm just doing the French tip. So I hope you guys like the way that I put these together color wise. So yeah. And I'm just gonna let the whole video play in normal speed so that you can watch it real time with me. But of course, if it's out of frame, I'm cutting it out. So here it jumps to the French tip and solid nail being all finished. It has 2 coats of the pink and the layout is finished. But as you could see, all of these colors I mixed by hand. They were all, the blue and the pink were pretty easy to make, but that bottom right color right there, it was the hardest because I needed it to be like a corally pink. So I was trying to mix like some different reds with a light pink, and then finally a reddish orange worked perfect. But now here I am starting the clown face, and I was thinking about something because what are you doing, girl? Come on, let's go. So these are gonna be the little eyes. I remember that this took me a few tries to do, cause what is that? I don't know. I think this one's the frowny face. Yeah, it's the frowny face. Ew, look at it. What are you doing? Yeah, okay, do your thing. So as you can see, it did not work out. I am restarting. I think I just didn't like the placement of the eyes with like the eyebrows, so then I took it off and starting over. But I did like the frowny face. I think that was pretty good. So at least that worked out for me. So wow, okay, the jump from here, I've got the face down, the whole smiley face, and I added the 3D like nose and blushy cheeks, and then I'm going in with that corally color I made and just outlining the smiley face, and then I'm gonna color in the 3D with that as well. You gotta give me credit for staying in frame a little bit. If only my camera would just focus on what the heck I was doing. But for the majority of the video, it was in frame. Like, it wasn't perfect, but I'm getting better, okay? I'm getting better. And then also, I recorded this video and the last video kind of like in the same week or like few days, so I recorded it with the exposure lowered quite a bit, so that's why that video and probably this video, they're gonna be pretty dark. So sorry about that, but I've learned my lesson and hopefully it won't happen again. I'm just trying to learn video settings and those things, so yes. So now I'm just gonna color in the 3D tears. This is what the frowny face looks like. I haven't outlined it in the corally color yet. I'm just coloring the tears first. If you can see it a little bit. There you go. The amount of photos and videos I had to delete to be able to record more of this press-on video is crazy. Like, even for my past videos, the amount of photos and videos I had to delete is insane. But it's okay. One day I'll get a camera and all will be well. I just listened to the playback of that recording and you can hear the drill in the background. So sorry for that. There's still work going on. I'm so sorry. Here I am barely in frame, but I'm starting the outline of the frowny face. Here we are starting the little star thingies. They remind me of those 2000s piercings with like the jelly spiky thingies. Yeah, but that's what we're doing here with the corally color and then the blue color. I guess I'll tell you what I mixed for the corally color. I mixed D&D polish in the color Ladybug and gel bottle ink polish in the color Pink Lady. So now we're gonna do this blue color. I think for this one I mixed the gel bottle ink in Signature, and I just mixed a bunch of white with it. Yeah, I think that's the color I used. And the technique I used for this, before I was just kind of dragging the color from the dot out, but then I realized that was not looking right, so I kind of let like the brush sit there a little bit, or I'll just do like, see how I'm kind of connecting the dot to the lines, kind of, I don't know. But then you'll see later in the video that I kind of let the brush sit in the middle and then I'll drag it out, or I'll just kind of keep dragging the line out. I don't know. You'll see when we get there. Sorry. And then also I'm alternating where the blue dots go and how big they are along with the corally color, because that's kind of how I saw it in the picture. There is a method to my madness, I promise. I try to explain things, but I've learned my brain is scrambled and I am not a good explainer. So yeah, I'm very sorry. So you will kind of be able to see here what I was talking about earlier when I kind of let the brush sit there and then I drag, or I'll do that motion. Yeah, you see it, you get it, you know what I mean. They look like itty bitty tadpoles. It's so cute. And if you think it looks like something else, no it doesn't. Stop being disgusting. I guess I will take this time to talk about my cuticle oil. I just got some sticker paper in the mail today, so I'm gonna be printing the labels, and then I just need to take pictures and then put them on my website. But the website is finished. You can go on there now. The link is in the description and read all about whichever one sparks your interest. And then I will get the pictures up hopefully today if the labels work out. Crossing my fingers. Oh my god. But if you pay attention to my community tab, the suspected release date is August 30th. So I am just hoping that everything goes well so that they will be out August 30th. The only one that will not be out August 30th is the Lotus one, unfortunately, because I don't have the TKB trading lip liquid in the color yet, but hopefully soon. But there's still unscented, rose, lotus, and jasmine. So yes, and always just keep an eye out for my community tab for updates and whatever I decide to write in that little box. But yeah, so here is the finished product of the smiley clown hand, and then this is going to be me dotting the frowny face hand. I'm just sporadically placing the black and yellow dots where I think they would look the best, and I think it actually came out looking very like everything is supposed to be where it's supposed to be. You know what I'm saying? And then here is the frowny face hand done. And then now we can top coat. So here you will see me go over it like a million times, but I just want to make sure that every bit of Tom's nook and cranny is top coated. And apparently I never think it is, but that's okay. You know, you can never be too sure. Y'all should be so proud of me for wearing gloves right now, because I usually don't wear gloves in like all of my other nail videos when I do my nail oh my god, I don't usually wear gloves when I do my nails, but always when I'm doing other people's or press-ons I am wearing gloves, because when I wear them when I do my nails I feel like they kind of just get in the way, or like, I don't know. I know it's no excuse, but I can't help it. So here's them all top coated. I love them so much. The top coat really just does it. So here I'm just filing the edges of the nails to make them more crisp, and then just to clean up the sides as well. Unfortunately, it does skip around a lot because I am for some reason just so terrible at filing on camera. It all is just somehow out of frame, but I think I did pretty good for the most part. Now we're just dusting these babies off. Now I'm just gonna be placing them for pictures, and in here I will show everything you get in your press-on kit, but it also shows it on my website. Also, I have a little portfolio at the bottom that you can see too. You can also fill out the form to get in contact with me if you want to order a pair of press-ons. But yeah, this is it for the video. I will insert all of the pictures and stuff at the end. But I hope you guys enjoyed this voiceover. Please let me know if you did or not. And thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one. Okay, so this is what comes in your press-on kit. We got the press-ons. These are just some old ones I made. And then it comes with KDS nail glue. It also comes with these nail stickers, just in case you don't want to use the glue. And it comes with a double-sided nail file, 80 by 180 grit. Comes with a little mini nail brush, a wooden stick. Then you get a little nail buffer. And you get a sample of my unscented cuticle oil. I also have sizing kits for $10 that goes towards the total cost of your press-on set if you buy one from me. So it's just a little guide on how to use the sizing kit. So I give you two options for applications, sticker and glue, and the glue comes with a removal guide. The sticker offers reusable press-ons so you can wear them more than once. The glue, you can use them about like 1 or 2 times. Yeah, I give you two options just in case. And then you also get my business card just for repurchasing or whatever, and it has my QR code on the back as well with my contact information. So yeah, that's everything that comes in your press-on kit. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.